Hello everyone, are you also having low back issues like low back instability, low back pain and weak core muscle strength? Today I am going to give you all the solution for this. Hello, I am Prachi Desai and welcome to my channel Pragmatic Revolution or Prachi's Pragmatic Revolution. I am a student of Conestoga College pursuing fitness and health promotion as well. I am a registered health exercise practitioner. So today I am going to show you what are some exercises with which you can improve your low back stability. But before that, I would like you to educate on what is low back instability, what are the factors that leads to low back instability. And to begin with, first of all, I will tell you what is a neutral spine. So you can see my posture. So you can see there is a normal curvature of my spine, and if there is excessive lordosis or extensive extension of my spine, it would look like this, which is abnormal posture. There is extra extension of my spine. One more abnormal posture is kyphosis, which is slouching or slumping, which is called kyphotic posture due to the pelvis is shifting in a back direction. Okay, so what factors are responsible for the low back instability? There are numerous factors, and which is muscle imbalance, muscle weakness, which leads to buckling of spine, as well as extra load on your spine, which leads to instability. To begin with, let's start. What are the muscles? Muscles responsible for your low back stability are transverse abdominis, multifidus, erector spinae, and rectus abdominis. To start our program, let's begin. Few exercises follow. I will also show how to start them, what is the breathing pattern, what is the tempo, and how many repetitions to do. Let's begin now. So to begin with, our first exercise is called cat and camel. How will you perform this exercise? First, this exercise targets on your erector spinae, that is Ms. dorsi, gluteus maximus, as well as your transverse abdominis. Okay? To go in a position, you will take a tabletop position. You will come on all fours. So in all fours, make sure your hand is in level of your shoulder. Your hip is sinking just next to your knee. Okay? And now, to perform this exercise, this is alternation of flexion and extension of your spine. So this is a neutral spine. Now, I will sink in my tailbone, bringing it out and keeping this head up, breathing out. This is called cat. And for camel, you will bring those tailbone in, okay, making a camel type of hum, placing and tilting those head down and breathing. Do at least 7 to 8 cycles of this exercise. This is called cat, this is called camel. So it's flexion and extension of your spine. To make this exercise challenging, you can also increase the number of repetitions. Like I perform 7 to 8 repetitions, you guys can perform at least 20 repetitions. Keep it harder, keep it more challenging so that you can increase the stability of your spine as well as improving that core muscle strength. So the next exercise we are doing is called Superman's. Again, in this exercise, you will be taking a tabletop position or all fours position. In this too, you will place your hands under your shoulder level, keeping those knees tucked in inside your hip. And this exercise is going to target your low back muscles as well as mostly the extensors of your back. Okay? To begin with, this is alternate usage of your upper and lower limb. You will try to go in extension, breathing out, holding the position for 7 to 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the pattern for this exercise. You can perform 12 repetitions for one set and do at least 3 to 4 sets. Counting your moves or counting your seconds is going to make it more challenging because it is going to target all your muscles of your core as well as back. It's a very good exercise for your core stability as well as back stability. So the next exercise we are performing is called side bridge exercise. So there are two types of this exercise. One is beginner level and one is advanced level. I would first show you what is a beginner level exercise. In beginner level, we will drop down those knees on floor so that we can get supported. In the advanced level, we will go for direct side plank position. How to take this position? First, I will begin with the beginner level. And to start with, I would like to say this exercise focus on your obliques, your extensors, your transverse abdominis. So your overall spine stabilizers are targeted in this exercise. To begin with, we will go by crossing those legs, okay? And I am going to take a plank position on my knees, okay? Keeping this shoulder and elbow 90 degrees to each other, okay? And we will lift off this body from the floor. So right now I am lying and I will lift off my body from the floor, like this. You will keep your hand on your chest to make it more difficult or targeted for you. You will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you will drop down your body. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So you will repeat this for at least 8 times and you will switch your sides after your 8 repetitions. Okay? Now I will show you how you will perform the advanced level. For the advanced level, we will take the side plank position. Okay? Keeping this knee pointing towards the ceiling, making sure the next leg is just beyond the opposite leg. Take your position and we will go for plank. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You may feel little bit shaky, but that's fine. That's because of the weakness of your muscles, okay? Now, if you feel that your advanced level is too much tough for you and you will drop down your balance or something, you can always do this exercise by dropping out your knees. Alright? So here I end these exercises for today. You will perform these exercises for at least 3 times a week, and I assure you, if you perform this for like 2 to 3 weeks, you are going to see greater change in your spine stability, because it's a great exercise for your unstable spine. If this video was helpful to you, make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or queries, please link down in the comment section below. And for next, stay tuned with me because I'm going to get you with some amazing vegetarian recipe which will be healthy as well as good for your diet. Stay tuned with Prachi's Pragmatic Revolution. Bye. See you next.